You are cordially invited to experience an historic world television event filming live on stage at the Mansion Theater for the Performing Arts in Branson. An Ozark Mountain Symphony, a musical celebration featuring an all-star cast live on stage, including Michael Cavanaugh, star of Billy Joel's Tony Award-winning musical Move It Out, Stephanie Lee, star of Disney's Mary Poppins, on Broadway. From London, the cast of the Simon and Garfunkel story, country icon Jimmy Fortune, the acclaimed gospel group The Wilhites, classic Disney violinist Robert Kerr, and featuring the Springfield Symphony Orchestra. 2 special performances June 8 and 9 only at 7 p.m. Admission is free, but you must get your free tickets now. To confirm your free tickets, visit themansiontheater.com or call 417-335-2000.